This is our presentation about our fitness trip to New York. When we arrive to New York in the evening, we will check in on our hotel and then take a short 5 minutes walk to Times Square and feel the atmosphere. Then the following days we will train each day and also see cultural attractions such as Ground Zero, Central Park. We will go to the top of Empire State Building and so on. One of the evenings we will be going to a basketball match between Brooklyn and Philadelphia. On Monday, our trainers have arranged a tour on the Hudson River. On this trip, we will visit Staten Island and see the Statue of Liberty too. Beside all of this, we are also going to an outlet center for shopping. On Wednesday, we will be driven 1 hour away from our hotel to the Woodbury Premium Outlet. Here we have the entire day to shop cheap stuff.
Nu forfra. Nej, den fortsætter. We are going to visit Fairfield High School and follow some of their classes. We'll also be having a training session with some of the students. After that, we are going to meet a family and have dinner with them.
As mentioned, we will train each day. We have arranged a training in Gold's Gym on Manhattan, where a lot of bodybuilders train, for example Kai Green, and we are also going to some CrossFit centers. And of course we will also be running in the streets of New York and in the famous Central Park.
One of our concerns is probably the flight.